So this is a two-part question. The first part is a true or false. Do you have to be off work to file a claim?
So in the personal injury context, if you want to prove a wage loss claim, obviously you're going to have to be off of work for some time, or proves that your earning capacity is restricted in some way. However, generally speaking, there's plenty of other items of damages that you can still pursue even if you're not pursuing a wage loss claim, such as pain and suffering, such as getting your medical care covered, things such as that.
For Social Security disability, you're supposed to be off work.
The second part of that question, is there a certain amount of time you must be off work?
So, same as before, you don't need to prove wage, you don't need to be off of work in order to pursue a personal injury claim, so timing doesn't matter in that aspect.
For Social Security, you're supposed to be off a year or think you're going to be off a year. Sometimes people will say, oh, I want to apply, but then I don't know if I'm going to be off a year, and I say do it, and if you're not, they're just going to kick your application. Because Social Security disability is not a short-term disability for like months or 6 months. It has to be a long type situation. There is an exception I want to bring up, that you can be working on a part-time basis, but you can't make more than $1,600 a month because they don't consider that sustained gainful activity. So if you're working in that capacity, you can still apply.